The organizers always request, can you please switch off your mobiles? And I repeat here also. Because when the mobile comes, in fact, not only the receiver will be embarrassed, even those who are sitting with him also are embarrassed. Kindly do that. Number two, we had planned for nearly an hour and 15 minutes. But today, so interesting it was, we went on a tour of the whole building. It was really an inspiration and thrilling for ancestors. Pitru Runam Enda Unde that we are clearing. So, he has really given us a lesson how to go about to doing good work. It's astonishing. Number three, we have some friends from Kerala, I was told. Myself, Keshamurthy, we are all called Sanketis. Well, we are also distributed into various places. Sanketis are coming from Kerala's Shangote and Palaghat place, migrated to Karnataka 900 years ago. 900 years ago. So we are all called Sanketis, an intellectual class, the Nambudris. They are all very intellectuals in Kerala. So we migrated to this place, just as the Konkani community is migrated from one from Bengal, Gauda Saraswats, and Saras from Kashmir side. So we are all here in Karnataka now. And I am very glad some of you are from Goa also. I will certainly try to explain in English also. And in between Allalli Kannada eradu maatu helidre, you will forgive me also. Because he is a Kannada poet, and in Kannada to give commentary to him is something remarkable, I tell you, remarkable. But you will hear Kannada definitely. And you will understand, because every one of us know Mahabharata story. There is nobody who doesn't know the story. We have chosen Krishna Sarathya. Krishna accepts to be charioteer to Arjuna for the major war of Kurukshetra, which is called Dharmakshetra also. Kurukshetra is called Dharmakshetra because the war waged between Kauravas and Pandavas for Dharma Samsthapanarthaya. Dharma Samsthapanarthaya Sambhavami Yuge Yuge Paritranaya Sadhunam, to protect the good, Vinashaya cha Dushkritam, to punish the wicked, Dharma Samsthapanarthaya, to establish Dharma, righteousness, which is slowly waning. I have come again and again, Sambhavami Yuge 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 Yuge. Now war has to stop. There is always a way for Sama, which is compromise between the two parties. And ideally it suits this portion. Incident happens thus. The exile period of the Pandavas of 12 years and 1 year of incognito, Ajnatavasam, was over. And Pandavas were sure that Kauravas will not part with their land. Vachana Bhrashtas they become. They had clearly told that after 12 years plus 1 year, if you completely fulfill according to the rule was a dangerous rule. During the 1 year incognito Ajnatavasam, if somebody finds you out and recognizes that you are Pandavas, again go back for 12 years and 1 year Ajnatavasam. A highly dangerous situation. And the last day of the exile period, incognito period of 1 day, Pandavas were in a hell, really. The Kauravas go and raid on the Virata Nagaram to the pretext of taking away the cows of Virat Raja, and because there was a rumor that Pandavas might be living there incognito, Chadmaveshis. But Kaurava fails because there is a limit for adharma. And God comes at the last moment, last second to uplift. So Pandavas were saved. Then both the Kauravas and the Pandavas on Krishna's advice and Kauravas on Bhishma's advice, commence collecting army to their side. Both of them write letters to all over India. Everywhere they write. Friends, after 13 years of Pandava rule, Pandavas were able to collect 2/3 of the army, 7 Akshohini. The Kaurava, the ruling party, because always in election, advantages for the ruling party. All vehicles will be at their disposal. The police force is at their disposal. Everything at their disposal, and the opposition always grieves that you are misusing the government property. And that was Kaurava. He was able to collect only 11,000 Akshohinis. While the Pandavas, forgotten by the people, 13 years, they were able to get 7 Akshohinis. That only shows how Pandavas' righteous rule was not forgotten. by the people of India in those times. At that time, it so happens, I will commence after the Nandi Padya, which is a Shubha and Mangala, with prostrations to Lord Vishnu, Ganesha and Saraswati. We will commence with your permission. Thank you very much.
वागीशाद्यासु मनसः सर्वार्थानामुपक्रमे यं नत्वा कृतकृत्याः स्युः तं नमामि गजाननम्। नमस्ते शारदे देवी काश्मीरपुरवासिनी त्वामहं प्रार्थये देवी त्वामहं प्रार्थये देवी विद्यां बुद्धिं च देहि मे आनन्दमानन्दकरं प्रसन्नं ज्ञानस्वरूपं निजबोधयुक्तं योगीन्द्रमेद्यं भवरोगवैद्यं श्रीमद्गुरुं नित्यमहं नमामि। श्रीवनितयरसने विमलराजीवपीठनपितने श्रीवनितयरसने विमलराजीवपीठनपितने जगदिपावनने सनकादिसज्जननिकरदातारा रावणासुरमथन श्रवणसुधा विनूतन कथनकारण कामुदानत जनव गदुगिन वीरनारायण आनत जनव कामुदो गदुगिन वीरनारायण ನಂಬಿದವರಿಗೆ ತನ್ನ ತೆತ್ತಿಗನೆಂಬ ಬಿರುದನು ಮೆರೆದು ಭಕ್ತ ಕುಟುಂಬಿ ಸಾರಥಿಯಾದನು ಒಲಿದರ್ಜುನಗೆ ಮುರವೈರಿ ನಂಬಿದವರಿಗೆ ತನ್ನ ತೆತ್ತಿಗನೆಂಬ ಬಿರುದನು ಮೆರೆದು ಭಕ್ತ ಕುಟುಂಬಿ ನಂಬಿದವರಿಗೆ ತನ್ನ ತೆತ್ತಿಗನೆಂಬ ಬಿರುದನು ಮೆರೆದು ಸಾರಥಿಯಾದನು ಒಲಿದು ಅರ್ಜುನಗೆ ಮುರವೈರಿ
ಶುಕ್ಲಾಂಬರಧರಂ ವಿಷ್ಣುಂ ಶಶಿವರ್ಣಂ ಚತುರ್ಭುಜಂ ಪ್ರಸನ್ನವದನಂ ಧ್ಯಾಯೇತ್ ಸರ್ವವಿಘ್ನೋಪಶಾಂತಯೇ ಅಗಜಾನನ ಪದ್ಮಾರ್ಕಂ ಗಜಾನನ ಮಹರ್ನಿಶಂ ಅನೇಕದಂ ತಂ ಭಕ್ತಾನಾಂ ಏಕದಂತಮುಪಾಸ್ಮಹೆ ಮೂಕಂ ಕರೋತಿ ವಾಚಾಲಂ ಪಂಗುಂ ಲಂಘಯತೆ ಗಿರಿಂ ಯತ್ಕೃಪಾತಮಹಂ ವಂದೇ ಪರಮಾನಂದ ಮಾಧವಂ ಕೃಷ್ಣೋ ರಕ್ಷತು ನೋ ಜಗತ್ರೇ ಗುರುಃ ಕೃಷ್ಣಂ ನಮಸ್ಯಾಮ್ಯಹಂ ಕೃಷ್ಣೇನಾಮರ ಶತ್ರವೋ ವಿನಿಹತಾಃ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ತುಭ್ಯಂ ನಮಃ कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं कृष्णे तिष्ठति सर्वमेतदखिलं हे कृष्ण रक्षस्व मां हे कृष्ण रक्षस्व मां. As I told you in the beginning, the Kauravas and the Pandavas were very eager to collect the armies to their side, and the Pandavas had in total about 7 Akshohinis and the Kauravas 11. Then only one person, important person, was left unapproached, and that was Sri Krishna himself. Therefore here, friends, between Dharmaraja, the head of the Pandavas, and the Duryodhana, the head of the Kauravas, between them, Duryodhana was clever in the modern terms, clever. But Dharmaraja was saf sida, straightforward. So it so happened, the spies from the side of Dharmaraja came and informed Dharmaraja, Your Majesty, we are told that Duryodhana has already left Hastinapura, the capital, towards Dwaraka to ask for Krishna's help. He was told, huh? Oh, my God, Partha, Arjuna, come, quickly come. He sends word for Arjuna.
ಹರನನಾಪ್ತರಿಗರುಕಿದನು ಗುಪ್ತದನಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣನನು ಒಳಗು ಮಾಡುವ ಮುದದಿ ಬಂದನು ಕೌರವೇಂದ್ರನು ದ್ವಾರಕಾಪುರಿಯೇ.
This is about 3000 years ago. Just mark, the Pandavas were living in modern Gujarat side. On Gujarat, that is Gujarat. From there, Dwaraka, Krishna's place, is not very far. And the Kauravas are in Hastinapura, the modern Delhi, where Kauravas are there. For him to go on the horse, in those days no motor cars, only on horses they were going. And for him it takes about 4 to 5 to 6 hours. But for Arjuna, it tells his everything to him. Where are we? Please hurry up, you have to go. That's what he says.
ಇದನು ಭೇದಿಸಿ ಬೇಹಿನವರರುಹಿದರು ಕುಂತಿ ಸುಧರಿಗತಿ ವೇಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಹಿನವರಿದನು ಭೇದಿಸಿ ಅರುಕಿದರು ಕುಂತಿ ಸುಧರಿಗತಿ ವೇಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಧರ್ಮಜನರುಗಿಗಳುಕಿದನು ಇಂದ್ರನಂದನನ.
Friends, the poet Kumar Vyasa of 12th century, he puts a word in Kannada, ಧರ್ಮಜನು ಅಳುಕಿ ಕಳುಹಿದನು. ಅಳುಕಿ means biting the tongue. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಎಂದ ಇಪ್ಪಡಿಯಾಯಿ, oh, Nashamaich, all barbad. Oh, because he realized that he has lagged behind and Duryodhana has left. Just imagine, if the Krishna goes towards Kaurava side, where is the survival of? Therefore, he immediately asked Arjuna to go. Arjuna was brilliant in horse riding, I tell you. He chose a very good horse. It was a very good practice. Arjuna was remarkable. So, such a great archer he was in everything as number one. He goes straight away, he rushes to Dwaraka. Fortunately, by the time he approached Dwaraka, and he was very free, he had a free pass to enter into the inner chamber. And fortunately or unfortunately, we don't know, Krishna perhaps was alone. It was 5 a.m., early morning, 5 a.m. Krishna was alone. Arjuna quietly, without making any noise, even his shoes he must have taken it out in the horse itself, he must have left. So quietly he went and Krishna. It was 5 a.m. Krishna is sleeping. Oh. Quietly he went there without making a slightest noise, and Krishna was sleeping like this. This is the posture. I think both his wives Rukmini and Satyabhama had been to their parents' house. Krishna was alone on bed. So both of them were not there. Perhaps so, because in the story their mention does not come. So Krishna was alone sleeping like this. And Arjuna, without making any sound, quietly comes, goes near the feet. Imagine that Krishna is sleeping here, and here Krishna's feet are there,